Hello everyone and welcome back to another flight review. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along on my journey from Miami, Florida to LaGuardia Airport on American Airlines 737 MAX. Now one thing I want to mention is that if you do have gold status with American Airlines, you do get priority through TSA. Ayan. So this is going to be your aircraft for this evening flight, and unfortunately I was not able to get the manufacturing date for this aircraft, but I can tell you that I'm definitely excited to be on board this 737 MAX despite all the controversies in the past 2 years. Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
And that's my grandfather. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Crew number 3.
It holds your rollerboards and wheels first, turn them on its sides like a book. If you have a coat or a jacket, we ask that you hold on to those until after the boarding process.
I'm anticipating a smooth ride, but anytime I do have that seatbelt sign on, I ask that you stay seated. Don't get up and use the lavatory. Keep that seatbelt fastened about you. That means that it's unsafe and I don't want you up moving around. Once I'm assured it's smooth, I'll turn it off. Then you can get up, move about the cabin. Stretch your legs, use the lavatory. I just ask that you don't congregate in the aisles, in the galley, or lavatory areas. You're on a 737 MAX tonight. Just so if you were wondering. Also, I'd like to thank you for complying with not only the TSA policy, but American Airlines policy of keeping your face mask covering your mouth and nose at all times, unless you're actively eating or drinking. Thank you for that. We're due off the gate here at 56 minutes past the hour. I'm anticipating an early departure and hopefully an early arrival with only 2 hours and 30 minutes. Once again, welcome aboard. I'm Captain Smith.
Now I do want to apologize in advance for this very crappy takeoff footage, but unfortunately my upgrade did not give me a window seat, so this is what I have available, guys. Sorry. So 45 minutes after takeoff, the flight attendants came over and started distributing these amenity kits, which included a water bottle, a disinfecting wipe, and some beautiful and tasty pretzels. Psych. So the dinner options for this flight were pretty simple. We were offered a cheese platter or a turkey sandwich. And to be honest with you, the turkey sandwich wasn't all that. I would have much rather gone for the cheese platter. But hey, it is what it is. If you're watching this, think about it twice. Now here's a look at the Wi-Fi packages available on today's flight. I can tell you that the internet from American Airlines is very fast and reliable, and it will definitely allow you to get some things done during your flight. Now here's a very mediocre seat review. In front of you, you have some storage space. To your right side, you have a seat recliner button. More storage compartment along with a wall adapter, and that's pretty much it. Well, this is all I have for this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're traveling to New York, please note you're required to fill out a waiver acknowledging that you're negative for COVID, along with some other questions that at the moment I do not remember. You can always call the airline and ask for more information. Before I forget, if you haven't traveled to LaGuardia in the past 2 years, you're going to see a big improvement on their new terminals. Here's a sneak peek. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.
It's my grandfather and I.
Perfect.
Thank you.